Fall and winter are the seasons where we tend to be a little bit more creative in the kitchen. Hi everyone, this is Michelle, and today we are going to explore some flavors of fall here with our creativity. But I want to be the first to tell you that the kitchen is probably my least creative place. I think how I express it is I love to keep things simple. I love to make things from scratch, fresh ingredients, and I also like to hand build, not fussy with gadgets and different things, and have more of a rustic look to some of my dishes. So today we're celebrating one of the flavors of fall, which is apple pie, and I love to preserve my own apple pie filling. And don't be intimidated by that. It is super easy to do. Some apples, lemon juice, apple juice, some little bit of sugar, and some clear gel, and you can make a batch of this, and nothing better than in the winter months to be able to crack open a jar. It makes it quick and easy to make a really delicious apple pie, or a variation of that. And then for my pie crust, I have found that the good old-fashioned recipe is the one that always, it never does me wrong. So it's the flour, the lard, the salt, and a little bit of cold water. And then I love to hand build all of my pies. So I love to make a galette, which is simply rolling out your dough, putting your pie filling in the middle of it, and then I just fold over the edges and bake it. And look at that beautiful pie. You can make little individual ones, you can make larger ones, you can also shape up that dough and make more of like a fruit pie, a fruit pocket, I guess you would call it, where you're taking your dough, folding it over the top, baking it. That's another easy way to go about doing it. You can also, if you're in a pinch and don't feel like making your own pie crust, you could also, this is what my grandma used to do this trick all the time, get out some flour tortillas and stuff those with a little bit of your pie filling. And then I have a little bit of melted butter in my pan. Butter makes everything better, right? And put a little bit of that, roll it, and then bake it, a little bit of cinnamon and sugar, and this too is a really nice sweet treat. So explore that creativity in the kitchen. You get the smells, you get these delicious flavors, and don't be afraid to try some things from scratch, hand build, create your own style and look of things. It's not about perfection, it's about the process and ultimately what it tastes like in the end.